boys and girls, and welcome to your Gordon Guitar. We have SANTY-P here. It's featuring Neri, sorry, and this song is called Lento. So I'm not Spanish speaking at all, and but I like this song and other of SANTY-P there. So we'll cover this one, Lento. Let's take a look at this, and we're going without capo here, so we're going clean. We have 3 chords that goes round and round through the entire song here. So we'll look at the chords first, and they will be G, B minor, and A. So let's start with G first. So this one is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And the next chord will be B minor, so that's a bar chord. So you have a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings, bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then the final chord will be A. Alright, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so let's take a look first at this picking melodies thing going on here. So we will have the G first, and when it comes to the picking parts here, you don't have to hold the full chord as it is. When it comes to G, it's enough to just hold 3rd fret on E string like this. And I suggest that you do that with middle finger or your ring finger, because you will need one finger down here pretty soon. Alright, so I go with my ring finger, 3rd on E, and you play like this. Alright, so that will be first 3rd on E, then you pick open G and open B together, and then a good clap, like this. Then you go back to 3rd on E, then you play the open G, open B together, and then you add the 2nd on B string. And that's it for G. So slowly it goes like this. Alright, then you go to the B minor. Here I suggest you hold the full chord as it is. You play this part. Alright, so that is 2nd on A, then the 4th G and 3rd B together. You have that from the chord, right? Then comes the clap. Then you go back to 2nd on A. Then again, 4th G and 3rd B together. And then you go to open E. And this is a transition here to the next chord. You just release your bar there to get the open E. Alright, and that's the B minor. So you kind of are in your way to get the next chord when you hit the open E. So it goes like this, slowly. Chord. And the next chord will be A. So you play this. You can hold the full chord if you wish. You don't have to. This is what you need actually. So the 2nd on G and 2nd on B. But I go with the full chord since I'm used to that. So you play this part. And you play that for 2 rounds. So alright, so 1 round will be open A, then 2nd G and 2nd B together, and then comes the clap, and then you play the same again, open A, and then the 2nd G and 2nd B together, and the clap. So this part here, you're gonna play for 2 rounds, and the rhythm goes like this. And notice there that it first clap comes right after the notes, so the clap comes directly after, and then the 2nd clap comes a bit after the notes there. So the 2nd goes like this. So always then a short pause, and then comes the clap. The 2nd clap in 1 round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, so it goes like this. And that is the chord progression here. So G1, B minor 1, and A2. So standard tempo like this. That is one round. You could play like this through the entire song, but you can also play it with a clean strumming pattern. So let's take a look at that. So let's go back to the G chord. So one strumming around will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Pretty long one, but it's not that hard. So it sounds like this. So it's first down, down, clap. So 2 downs and clap. Then comes 3 downs, clap, down. So 1, 2, 3, clap, down. That's it. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, down, clap, then down, 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 clap, down. So one round will be. With this chord progression, G1, B minor 1, and A2, it goes like this. Yeah, and that is a way of playing this song with the strumming. Now you can also mix this up, why not? And take it up to next level. You can go with pickings and pretty much follow the same strumming pattern. So you can pick everything instead of doing down. So you can go. And why is that great? Because you can then choose to pick notes from the picking pattern that we choose. So for instance, on the G, this second B string here, this note, you can add that one into the strumming pattern, and that will come in the last down. After the second clap and the last down, this is where you hit the second B. And the same goes from the B minor, this open E note, this one. Note, you can also add that in the same spot there, the last down after the second clap. So it could sound something like this slowly. And then B minor. And then A, you go in the same way. So one round of this picking strumming mixed with the picking notes, it could sound like something like this. Yeah, I took off there some freestyle ending, but anyway, play with it. G, B minor, and A. That's it for SANTY-P's Lento. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumb up, subscribe, and until next time, guys, play tuned.